Hello, Sari stars. How are things going on in your saring world? I am Lakshmi, and today at Kalpavastram, I have for you a fabulous collection of hand-woven Kanjivaram silk saris. These are just perfect for Shankranti and Pongal, which are just round the corner. So let's get started with this beautiful collection. A Vairavasi Kanjivaram is among the most coveted kind of Kanjivaram silk saris, and this often forms a part of bridal choices. We have a lovely short pink Vairavasi Kanjivaram silk sari for you. This is a gorgeous short pink Kanjivaram silk sari in Vairavasi design. The body of the sari has zari lines running along the length of the sari, and there are small zari buttas all over the body of the sari. The borders have darbar paint motifs in zari, and there is a lovely green selvage which highlights the beauty of the borders. The majestic pallu of this gorgeous Kanjivaram silk sari has intricate zari motifs of pakshis, mile chakrams, and vanki. The blouse fabric of the sari is a Vairavasi blouse fabric in the same color as the sari. You can pair this sari with its own blouse, or you can pair it with a blouse in green. You can also pair this blouse with many of your other dark colored saris. You can accessorize this lovely Kanjivaram with some traditional gold or diamond jewelry. We have a Korvai Kanjivaram silk sari for you in the classic combination of ivory and red. The body of this gorgeous Kanjivaram silk sari is in a lovely ivory shade, and there are zari motifs of pakshis all over the body of the sari. The borders are Korvai borders, and they are in a deep red with a lovely green selvage here. There are two stripes of zari, retipated zari on this border. The grand red pallu of this gorgeous Kanjivaram silk sari has zari motifs of pakshis, diamonds, and yana, that is elephants. This is a classic Kanjivaram silk sari combination, and if you are a Kanjivaram lover, then this is a must-have in your wardrobe. The blouse fabric of the sari is in the same deep red as the borders. You can pair this sari with its own blouse or with a contrast green blouse and accessorize it with a green atiquette. Paimadi is a textured weave which is found in Kanjivaram silk saris. We have a lovely Paimadi sari for you in pink. The body of this pretty sari is in two shades of pink, and there are chatai or Paimadi kattam all over the body of the sari. The sari doesn't have borders, but there is a zari stripe along the edges and a deeper pink selvage. The pallu of the sari is very contemporary. There is a beautiful paisley motif at the corner and a triangular zari motif. This makes the sari very unique and very exclusive. The sari has a gorgeous pink tissue blouse. You can pair this sari with its own blouse, or you can pair it with a contrast blouse in ivory, and you can pair this sari with a lovely strand of pearls. If you love threadwork Kanjivaram silk saris in elegant pastel colors, then we have just the perfect sari for you. The body of the sari is in a lovely pastel olive green, and there are small threadwork motifs in pink and a beautiful blackish blue all over the body of the sari. The borders of the sari have threadwork motifs of arrow-shaped motifs and nali motifs in the same colors, pink and blackish blue. The pallu of the sari is completely done in threadwork with similar motifs as the borders and pretty paisley motifs in pink threadwork. The sari has a running blouse fabric in green, but you can pair it with a pretty pastel pink blouse fabric and accessorize it with beaded jewelry. Maratuli or raindrop motifs is a very mesmerizing motif that we find in Kanjivaram silk saris. A lovely Maratuli Kanjivaram silk sari in a pretty shade of ink blue is what we are going to showcase now. This is a lovely ink blue Kanjivaram silk sari with mesmerizing Maratuli motifs in zari all over the body. The sari doesn't have borders, but there is a stripe of zari on both sides. The gorgeous green pallu of the sari has seepareke in zari. This combination of ink blue and this gorgeous green makes this sari absolutely beautiful. The sari comes with a green blouse fabric. You can pair this sari with its own blouse and accessorize it with a white or green etiquette. Aqua shades are very soothing and very pleasing to the eye. We have a gorgeous Kanjivaram silk sari in aqua shades with cuttons all over. This Kanjivaram is in a lovely shade of aqua blue with all over cuttam on the body. The borders are in a short green with zari motifs of kuilkan. The sea green pallu of the sari is adorned with seepareke in zari. This combination of blue and green comes together very beautiful in the sari and makes it a very elegant and absolutely stunning one. The blouse fabric of the sari is in sea green. You can pair this sari with its own blouse and accessorize it with traditional gold jewelry. The color combination in the sari is very reminiscent of the sea. One of my favorite saris in today's collection is one of my favorite colors. This one is a gorgeous purple sari with cuttam all over. This is a gorgeous, stunning Kanjivaram silk sari. The body of the sari has all over zari cuttam and the borders have Mailkan motifs in zari. The pallu of the sari has seepareke in zari. This sari is based on a design from the 60s and 70s. It's a very vintage kind of design. The sari comes with a running blouse fabric, but you can pair it with a beautiful gold tissue blouse and accessorize it with traditional gold or diamond jewelry. This is a classic retro style Kanjivaram silk sari with cuttam and cordal, that is checks and stripes in black and yellow. The body of the sari is in yellow and there are soft black stripes running along the width of the sari. The borders of the sari have checks in black and yellow. The black pallu of this beautiful sari has seepareke in zari. The blouse fabric of the sari is in black. You can pair this sari with its own blouse and accessorize it with traditional gold jewelry. I am very excited to share with you this lovely Kanjivaram silk sari in a two-tone color or doobcham color. This is a stunning doobcham Kanjivaram silk sari. The body of the sari has chevron or zigzag kind of motifs running along the width of the sari, and the color combination is a beautiful mix of short purple and blue. The sari has a border in a lovely shade of short purple with a zari stripe. The short purple pallu of the sari has zari stripes and Banaras motifs in zari. The blouse fabric of the sari is in the same lovely short purple as the borders and the pallu. You can pair this sari with its own blouse or with a gold tissue blouse and accessorize it with traditional gold jewelry. Vairamusi Kanjivarams are among the grandest of Kanjivarams and they are usually part of the bridal trousseau. We have for you a stunning Vairamusi Kanjivaram in a lovely shade of green. The gorgeous green of the sari has the Vairamusi stripes or Vairamusi needles here. You can see them along the length of the sari. There are small buttas in zari all over the body of the sari. The borders of the sari have zari, quilkan motifs and temple motifs. The gorgeous grand pallu of this fabulous Kanjivaram silk sari is completely done in zari and it has motifs of pakshis, mile chakrams and vanki. The sari comes with a gorgeous maroon Vairamusi blouse fabric. You can pair this sari with its own blouse and accessorize it with traditional diamond or gold jewelry. Checks give a smart and elegant look to the sari. We have for you a lovely Kanjivaram silk sari with all over checks or cut-ups. The body of the sari is in a blackish shade and there are cut-ups or checks all over in maroon. The borders are in maroon and it has lovely quilkan motifs in zari. The short maroon pallu of the sari has seepareka in zari. This is a very smart combination and the sari has an absolutely elegant and beautiful look. The blouse fabric of the sari is in a lovely short maroon and it has the same borders as the sari. You can pair this sari with its own blouse and accessorize it with traditional gold jewelry. A very unique and very exclusive sari. This one is in a pretty shade of pink. The body of the sari is in a very pleasing shade of pink and there is a zari stripe along the border. The pallu of the sari is in a lovely shade of mustard and it has zari cut-ins all over the pallu. This combination of pink and mustard is a very unusual combo and it is sure to make you stand out in a crowd. The sari comes with a mustardish blouse fabric with the same zari checks as the pallu has. This is a very versatile blouse. You can pair this sari with its own blouse and you can also pair this blouse with many of your other saris. You can accessorize this sari with some lovely traditional gold jewelry. We have for you a gorgeous threadwork Kanjivaram silk sari in a stunning mix of orange and pink. The body of the sari is a lovely doop chow. It's a mix of orangish and pink and it's a stunning color. And the borders have beautiful floral motifs and Jadainaga motifs all done in thread. The grand pallu of the sari is intricately woven with threadwork and there are beautiful motifs like Banaras, floral motifs and Jadainaga motifs. The blouse fabric of the sari is in a beautiful shade of Rani pink and it has the same borders as the sari has. You can pair this sari with its own blouse or you can pair it with an orange blouse or bottle green blouse. You can accessorize it with beaded jewelry or traditional gold jewelry. Yellow and Araku is a traditional and auspicious combination and often chosen in bridal trousers. We have a beautiful Korvai Kanjivaram silk sari for you in this lovely combination. The yellow body of this gorgeous Korvai Kanjivaram silk saree has Pakshi motifs in zari, and the Korvai borders are in Arakku, and there are Rettapettu zari borders, and the motifs on the borders are Pakshi motifs. The Arakku pallu of the saree has zari bands. This is a classic combination and perfect for special and bridal occasions. The saree comes with an Arakku blouse fabric in the same color as the borders and the pallu. You can pair this saree with its own blouse and accessorize it with traditional gold or diamond jewelry. Podikattam or small checks give a very smart and stunning look to the saree. We have for you a beautiful Podikattam Kanjivaram silk saree in a lovely combination of Arakku and orange. The body of the saree has small or tiny podikattams in a combination of orange and Arakku, and there are small zari buttas all over the body of the saree. The borders have a stripe of zari. The gorgeous green pallu of this saree has elaborate and intricate zari motifs of rettamayan, that is twin peacocks, pakshis, and beautiful diamond motifs all done in zari. The saree has a gorgeous green blouse fabric. You can pair this saree with its own blouse or with a gorgeous gold tissue blouse and accessorize it with traditional gold jewelry. White and silver is a combination that always makes a statement. We have for you a lovely Yettukol Kanjivaram silk saree in white with silver colored zari. This is a gorgeous Yettukol Kanjivaram silk saree. The body of the saree is white and the borders are temple borders woven using the Yettukol weaving technique, and the zari is silver colored zari. The pallu of the saree has Tazhavu Rekku and Seepu Rekku, both woven in silver colored zari. The saree comes with a running blouse fabric, but given the versatile nature of this white Kanjivaram silk saree, you can pair it with a colored blouse in some other color like maroon or green, deep blue, purple, rani pink, etc. and accessorize it with contrasting jewelry. Another Vairavoosi Kanjivaram silk saree. This one is in a stunning shade of royal blue. This is a stunning royal blue Kanjivaram silk saree. It's a Vairavoosi Kanjivaram. You can see the zari lines on the body and the beautiful zari motifs all over the body of the saree. The borders have Darbarpet motifs in zari, and there is a lovely short green selvage which highlights the beauty of the saree. The breathtaking pallu of the saree has intricate zari motifs of pakshis, Mail Chakram and Gudare, that is horse motifs. The blouse fabric of the saree is a Vairavoosi blouse fabric in the same color combination as the body. You can pair this saree with its own blouse, or you can pair it with a golden tissue blouse and accessorize it with traditional diamond or gold jewelry. We begin with a fabulous Kanjivaram silk saree, which has all the festive colors like red, green, yellow and pink. The body of this Kanjivaram silk saree has motifs running along the length of the saree. There are motifs like paisleys, chakrams and kuilkand motifs. All this is done in thread, and there is a band of yellow motifs, a band of mustardish, a band of green and a band of red motifs. The borders of the saree are in beautiful rani pink, and there are two zari stripes on the borders. The pallu of the saree is absolutely stunning, and it's in a beautiful rani pink with Banaras motifs in zari. The blouse fabric of the saree is in a beautiful rani pink. You can pair this saree with its own blouse, or you can pair it with a beautiful green blouse and accessorize it with traditional gold jewelry. This combination of threadwork on the body and beautiful zari on the borders and pallu makes this sari very unique, very beautiful, and perfect for festivals like Pongal and Sankranti. If you're someone who loves unique and exclusive combinations in Kanchivaram silk saris, then this one is sure to delight you. The body of this beautiful Kanchivaram silk sari is in a very rare and unusual taupe color, which is an English color. And there are cuttons or checks all over the body in thread, and these cuttons are in a combination of sea green and silvery color. The borders of the sari are in a lovely sea green, and there are two stripes of zari along the borders. The pallu of the sari is in the same sea green as the borders, and it has seepareke and lines in zari. The blouse fabric of the sari is in the same aqua color as the borders and the pallu. You can pair this sari with its own blouse or with a gold tissue blouse. A pearl necklace will look absolutely superb with this sari. This combination of taupe color and aqua color is a very rare color, very rare combination, and it's sure to make you stand out in a crowd. You're sure to love this navy blue Kanchivaram silk sari with Maratuli or raindrop motifs on it. The body of this gorgeous Kanchivaram silk sari is in blue, and there are Maratuli or raindrop motifs all over the body. The borders have 2 rows of zari. The pallu of this gorgeous Kanchivaram silk sari is a showstopper, and there are ratham or chariot motifs in zari on the pallu. This makes the sari look absolutely beautiful and gorgeous. The sari has a running blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse, or you can pair it with a gold tissue blouse and accessorize it with traditional gold jewelry for a festive look. An absolutely festive Kanjivaram silk sari. This one is in a combination of red and green. The body of this gorgeous Kanjivaram silk sari is in a very festive shade of deep red, and there are cuttons or grids all over the body. There is a row of zari motifs here and a beautiful green selvage which highlights the beauty of this gorgeous sari. The pallu of the stunning Kanjivaram silk sari has seepareke in zari. The blouse fabric of the sari is running blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse or with a beautiful green blouse. You can accessorize it with traditional gold jewelry. That's what will look absolutely best in this gorgeous sari. One of my favorite saris from today's collection. This one is in a very unusual combination of a very pretty pink with a short colored border. The body of this Kanjivaram silk sari is in a very pretty shade of pink, and there are Maratuli or raindrop motifs on the body. The border is a beautiful two-tone color. It's a combination of purple and green, and there are 2 zari stripes on the border. The pallu of this Kanjivaram silk sari is in the same short color as the borders. Beautiful seepareke in zari adorns the pallu. The sari has a blouse fabric in the same color as the borders and the pallu. You can pair this sari with its own blouse and accessorize it with lovely pearl or gold jewelry. Vanasingaram is a gorgeous design in Kanjivaram silk saris which depicts the beauty of the animals in the forests. This sari is a conversation starter. The body of the sari is a lovely shade of purple and the Vanasingaram motifs are in a beautiful silvery grey thread. The borders have Darbar Pet motifs in zari. The pallu is very grand and there are beautiful Banaras motifs and zari lines. The sari has a running blouse fabric in purple. You can pair this sari with its own blouse or you can pair it with a silver colored blouse. You can accessorize it with delicate diamond or silver jewelry. A pastel pink Kanjivaram silk sari, what we refer to as English color. This one is a delightful mix of pink and gold. The body of the sari is a lovely dhoop chow. It's a mix of pink and gold and there are beautiful floral motifs in zari on the body. The borders are narrow borders and there are zari motifs of paisley and orangish thread lines. The splendid pallu of this sari has zari lines and chakram motifs in zari. The blouse fabric of the sari is running. You can pair it with its own blouse or with a golden tissue blouse. You can accessorize it with pearl or gold jewelry. We have for you a gorgeous green Kanjivaram silk sari with self borders. The body of the sari is a gorgeous green and there are pakshi and floral buttas in zari on the body. The borders are very different and it is in zari and the motifs are diamond shaped. The pallu of the sari has seepareke in zari. The sari has a running blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse or with a beautiful pink blouse. You can accessorize it with a nice ruby or kem etiquette. We begin with a Kanjivaram silk sari in a color that is considered auspicious. This is a lovely Kattam Kanjivaram in a combination of yellow and green. The body of this Kanjivaram silk sari is in a lovely happy shade of yellow and there are kattams in green all over the body. The borders are a lovely green and they have wheel and motifs inside. The gorgeous green pallu of the sari has seepareke and lines in zari. The sari has a green blouse fabric in the same color as the pallu. You can pair this sari with its own blouse and accessorize it with a nice kem etiquette. This is a stunning Kanjivaram in a very unusual combination of short orange and mild karathu. This Kanjivaram is in a lovely shade of golden orange and there are zari kattans or zari checks all over the body. There are lovely zari motifs of Gudara, that is horses, and Gandaberunda, which is a two-headed mythical bird. These motifs are there all over the body. The sari doesn't have borders, but there is a zari stripe along the edges. The pallu of this gorgeous Kanjivaram silk sari is in mild karathu and the motifs are completely done in zari. The motifs are Gudara, that is horses, Pakshis, Yali, and Araimadam motifs. The gorgeous blouse fabric of the sari is in Mail Kaltu, the same color as the pallu. You can pair this sari with its own blouse and accessorize it with a lovely diamond necklace. This is a Kanjivaram silk sari, which is an absolute must-have in your wardrobe. It's in a lovely shade of deep red araku and it has a lovely green selvage at the border. The body of this Kanjivaram silk sari is in a gorgeous shade of deep red araku and there are cuttams all over the body. The borders have beautiful zari motifs of kuil cut and there is a lovely short green selvage which highlights the beauty of this sari. The pallu of the sari is in the same deep red araku as the body and it has zari bands. The blouse fabric of the sari is running, but you can pair it with a beautiful short green blouse and accessorize it with a nice jade or green attire. Sea green is an absolutely stunning and soothing color. We have for you a gorgeous Kanjivaram silk sari in this color. If you are looking for simple classic Kanjivaram silk saris, then this one is for you. The body is in a gorgeous dual tone sea green color. It has a dual tone effect and there is a narrow stripe of zari along the edges. The resplendent red pallu of the sari has zari cuttam. This red pallu provides a beautiful contrast to the sea green body. The blouse fabric of the sari is in the same red as the pallu and it has zari checks. You can pair this sari with its own blouse. You can also pair this blouse with many of your other saris. You can accessorize this sari with a nice coral or rupee attire. A gorgeous Kanjivaram silk sari in a very unusual shade of rustish brown. This one is a Korvai Kanjivaram with black Korvai borders. This is a Korvai Kanjivaram silk sari. The body is in a lovely short of honey brown rust kind of shade and there are Meenakari buttas on the body of the sari. The borders are in black and there are 5 rows of zari motifs on the borders and these motifs are Pakshi and floral motifs. The black pallu of this Kanjivaram silk sari has Seepirekku in zari. It also has zari lines and Jadai Nagam in zari. The blouse fabric of the sari is in black. You can pair this sari with its own blouse and accessorize it with traditional gold jewelry. This combination of Meenakari, Korvai, the vintage style design on the borders and the pallu makes this an absolute collector's piece. A classic ivory and red Kanjivaram. This one is a Korvai in a half and half style and it's a no zari Kanjivaram. The upper half of this classic sari is in ivory and the lower half is in a deep red and you can see the Korvai temple border separating the two parts. The pallu of the sari is in the same deep red as the lower portion and it has Seepirekku in red. This combination of ivory and red is a classic must-have combination and it's a no zari sari which makes it a very versatile and comfortable one to dream. The blouse fabric of the sari is in deep red. You can pair this sari with its own blouse and accessorize it with a nice etiquette. This is a very contemporary Kanjivaram silk sari with tartan patterns on the body and Korvai Ganga Jamuna borders. This is a no-zari Korvai Kanjivaram silk sari. The body is in a combination of shades of black and white and it is in a tartan design. The borders are Ganga Jamuna borders. The upper border is in a mustardish yellow and the lower border is a deep red. This combination of red, yellow, black and white makes this a stunning sari. The red pallu of the sari has seeparekar in thread. The blouse fabric of the sari is in red with the same Ganga Jamuna borders as the sari. You can pair this sari with its own blouse or with a black blouse and you can accessorize it with some lovely beaded jewellery or traditional gold jewellery. Navy blue and pink is one of the eternal combinations in Kanjivaram silk saris. We have a beautiful Kattan Korvai Kanjivaram for you in this combination. The body of the sari is in blue and there are kattans in pink all over the body. The borders are Korvai borders. You can see the Korvai temple borders here and there are two stripes of zari on the pink border. The gorgeous pallu of the sari is in pink and there are two bands of Tazhabarekar in zari. The blouse fabric of the sari is in the same pink as the borders and the pallu. You can pair this sari with its own blouse and accessorize it with traditional gold jewellery. We begin with a stunning Yettukol Kanjivaram silk sari. This one is a glorious shot of sky blue and pink. This is a gorgeous Yettukol Kanjivaram silk sari. You can see the lovely doop chow and dual tone effect in this. It's a lovely mix of sky blue and pink. You can see the temple borders and these are woven using the Yettukol weaving technique. The gorgeous pallu of this sari has seeparekar and Tazhabarekar in zari and this is also done using Yettukol weaving. The sari comes with a running blouse fabric but you can pair it with a gorgeous pink blouse and accessorize it with a nice kemp etiquette. If you like threadwork Kanjivaram silk saris, then this sari is for you. This is a very elegant Kanjivaram silk sari in a lovely shade of Yelaka Pacha or cardamom green. The body of the sari is in a lovely shade of Yelaka Pacha or cardamom green and there are small threadwork motifs on the body. The borders of the sari have threadwork motifs and these are in a diagonal design. The pallu of the sari has threadwork motifs. There are diagonal lines and small buttas. The sari comes with a running blouse fabric but you can pair it with an ivory blouse or with a mustard blouse. You can accessorize this elegant sari with a lovely strand of pearls. If you love no-zari Kanjivaram silk saris, then you are sure to fall in love with this beautiful sari. The body of the sari has stripes along the length of the sari and this is in a combination of purple, brown and soft pink. The borders of the sari are Korvai borders with temples along them and the border is in a lovely soft brown. The pallu of the sari maintains the color scheme from the body and it has a very contemporary look. The color combination of this sari is hard to come by. The sari has a blouse fabric in the same soft brown as the borders. You can pair this sari with its own blouse and accessorize it with almost any kind of jewelry because it's a very, very versatile sari. Up next, we have a lovely Kanjivaram silk sari. This one is a threadwork Kanjivaram in navy blue. The body of the sari is in a gorgeous navy blue color and there are stripes running along the length of the sari. The borders are threadwork borders and there are beautiful Pakshi motifs and Banaras motifs in thread. There is a lovely Rani pink selvage which elevates the beauty of this gorgeous border. The pallu of the sari is absolutely breathtaking and it's in a combination of Rani pink, orangish and beige and it has beautiful Pakshi motifs in thread. The blouse fabric of the sari is in a deep pink and it has pretty Pakshi motifs in thread on it. You can pair the sari with its own blouse and accessorize it with lovely silver jewelry. We have for you a very pretty Kanjivaram silk sari with two pallus, that is you can wear the sari either way if you don't attach a form. The body of the sari is in a gorgeous Rani pink color and it has Ganga Jamuna borders. One border is orange and the other border is green. As I mentioned earlier, this is a very special sari and it has pallus at both ends. So you can style it in two different ways. If you choose to keep the orange border as the upper border, then the pallu will be a combination of green bands and Rani pink bands. Alternatively, if you want to style the same sari with the green border as the upper border, then the pallu will be a gorgeous mix of pink and orange bands. The blouse fabric of the sari is in Rani pink and it has green and orange Ganga Jamuna borders. You can pair this sari with its own blouse or you can pair it with a green blouse or orange blouse and you can accessorize it with some lovely beaded jewelry. A vibrant Kanjivaram silk sari in a lovely shade of violet and this has Veldari kind of lines running along the length of the body. This is a gorgeous Kanjivaram silk sari in a lovely shade of violet and there are Veldari kind of lines in thread running along the length of the body. The borders are narrow borders with zari floral motifs. The pallu of the sari has Seepareka in zari. The sari comes with a running blouse fabric, but you can pair it with an ivory blouse or golden tissue blouse and accessorize it with traditional gold jewelry. An absolutely stunning Kanjivaram silk sari is what we have for you. This one is in a gorgeous combination of Rama green and pink. This is a gorgeous Kanjivaram silk sari. The middle portion of the sari has Maratuli or raindrop motifs in zari. The upper and lower portions of the sari have zari stripes running along the width of the sari. The pallu of the sari is in a pretty Rani pink and it has Seepareka in zari. This combination of Rama green and pink makes this sari absolutely fabulous. The blouse fabric of the sari is in a pretty Rani pink. You can pair the sari with its own blouse and accessorize it with a nice kemp attire. We now have for you an elegant threadwork Kanjivaram silk sari in a lovely combination of mustard and green. The body of the sari is a beautiful mustard shade and there are small threadwork floral buttas on the body of the sari. The borders are threadwork borders and it's in a combination of green and pink and there are lovely Pakshi motifs here. The gorgeous threadwork pallu of the sari has motifs of Banaras and Pakshis. The blouse fabric of the sari is a gorgeous shot of mustard and pink, but you can pair this sari with a blouse in green or Rani pink also and accessorize it with some lovely beaded jewelry. An exclusive Kanjivaram silk sari. This one is a Korvai Kanjivaram and it has designs like the Bandhani of Kutch. The body of the sari is in beige and there are buttas all over the body of the sari, and this looks like the Bandhani design of Kutch. Bandhani, however, is a tie and dye design and this sari is completely woven by hand, but the design is made to look like Bandhani. The borders are Korvai borders in magenta and there are beautiful zari floral motifs on them. The pallu of the sari has adai motifs of Gudara, that is horses, Yana, that is elephants, and Man, that is deer. All these are done in zari. This is a masterpiece woven by our master weaver and it's a unique and exclusive Kanjivaram silk sari. The blouse fabric of the sari is in the same magenta as the borders of the sari and it has similar zari motifs. You can pair this sari with its own blouse and accessorize it with traditional gold or diamond jewelry. This Kattam Kanjivaram silk sari in shades of pink is sure to delight you. The body of this pretty pink Kanjivaram silk sari has all over kattams or checks. The borders are in a deeper pink and there are two stripes of zari along the borders. There is a lovely green selvage which highlights the beauty of this sari. The pallu of the sari is in a beautiful, gorgeous, deep pink and it has seepareke and lines in zari. The blouse fabric of the sari is in a beautiful deep pink. You can pair this sari with its own blouse or with a gorgeous green blouse and accessorize it with traditional gold jewelry. We have for you a lovely Kanjivaram silk sari in an unusual combination of mehendi moss green with brown borders. The body of this gorgeous sari is in a lovely shade of mehendi or moss green and there are small zari buttas all over the body of the sari. The borders of the sari are in a beautiful brown shade and it has zari kattam and mail chakram buttas all in zari. The gorgeous grand pallu of this Kanjivaram silk sari is completely done in zari and it has motifs of Yana, that is elephant, Pakshis, Rudraksham, Banaras and diamond shaped motifs. The blouse fabric of the sari is in the same color as the borders and the pallu. You can pair this sari with its own blouse or with a gold tissue blouse and accessorize it with diamond or gold jewelry. Sky blue is an unusual shade in Kanjivaram silk saris. We have a lovely sky blue Kanjivaram silk sari for you with zari katta. The body of the sari is in this pretty pastel sky blue and there are zari kattams all over the body of the sari. The borders are red tapetu borders with Rudraksha motifs in zari. The pallu of this elegant Kanjivaram silk sari has seepareke in zari. The sari comes with a running blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse or with a contrast blouse in silver color and pair it with lovely silver jewelry. We now have for you a very pretty pink threadwork Kanjivaram silk sari with Pakshi motif. threadwork Kanjivaram silk saree in pink, and there are stripes running along the length of the saree. The borders have Pakshi motifs and Banaras motifs in a combination of blue, pink, and beige. The pallu of the saree follows the same color scheme as the borders, and it has motifs of Pakshis, Banaras, and Paisleys. I love the blouse fabric of this saree. It is in a very pastel grey with Pakshi motifs all over it and the same borders as the saree. You can pair this saree with its own blouse and accessorize it with beaded jewellery, which will give a very elegant and sophisticated look. Iron Butta is a must-have kind of saree in every Kanjivaram saree lover's wardrobe. We have for you a lovely Iron Butta Mail Chakram saree in a gorgeous combination. The body of the stunning Kanjivaram silk saree is in aqua shades, and there are Mail Chakram motifs all over the body of the saree. The borders are short purple borders, and there is a zari stripe along the borders. The gorgeous short pallu of this saree has beautiful Banaras motifs in zari. The blouse fabric of the saree is short purple. You can pair this saree with its own blouse. A lovely amethyst necklace or delicate silver jewellery will look absolutely beautiful with this saree. Vanasingaram is another wardrobe must-have kind of saree. We have a gorgeous Vanasingaram for you in a combination of deep pink and orange, which is very festive. Vanasingaram means beauty of the forest, so it depicts the forest animals on a saree. So the body of the saree is in a deep pink, and the motifs of the animals like elephants, horses, pakshis, peacocks, all these are done in orangish thread. The selvage and pallu of the saree are in a gorgeous mantulir color, which is a mix of maroon and green. The motifs on the pallu are those of pakshis and beautiful floral motifs. All this is done in zari. The blouse fabric of the saree is also a mixed tone one, so it gives you an effect of green at times, an effect of brown at times, and sometimes maroon. You can pair this saree with its own blouse and accessorize it with traditional gold jewelry. A beautiful Kattam Kanjivaram silk saree. This one is in a contemporary combination of ivory and pink. The body of the saree has all over Kattamsa checks in shades of ivory and pink. There are also floral zari motifs on the body of the saree. The saree doesn't have borders, but there is a stripe of zari along the edges. The deep pink pallu of the saree has beautiful motifs, which are floral motifs and diamond-shaped motifs, all done in zari. The saree has a very pretty pink blouse fabric with floral zari motifs on it. You can pair this saree with its own blouse or with a beautiful emerald green blouse. You can accessorize it with traditional jade or emerald jewelry. We have for you a very exclusive threadwork Korvai Kanjivaram silk saree in a combination of ivory and blue. The body of this exclusive Kanchivaram silk saree is in ivory and there are Rudraksham motifs done in thread all over the body. The borders are Korvai borders and there are beautiful motifs in a combination of white and pinkish maroon all over the border. The beautiful blue pallu of the saree has threadwork motifs of Pakshis and Rudraksham. This is done in a combination of mehndi green and white, which is very unique and very different. The blouse fabric of the saree is in blue. You can pair this saree with its own blouse or with a contrast blouse in maroon. You can accessorize it with delicate pearl jewelry. We begin with a beautiful hand-woven Kanjivaram silk saree. This one is in a lovely combination of yenna rakku and black. The body of this Kanjivaram silk saree is in a very deep shade of maroon and there are lovely madatuli or raindrop motifs in zari all over the body of the saree. The borders of the saree are in black and they have zari checks. The gorgeous black pallu of the saree has seepireku and lines in zari. The blouse fabric of the saree is in black. You can pair this saree with its own blouse and accessorize it with traditional gold jewelry. The saree I am going to showcase now is a very lovely Kanjivaram silk saree. This one is in a beautiful vintage shade of Nahapada color or a very deep purple. This is a very lovely Kanjivaram silk saree in a vintage shade of very deep purple or Nahapada color. The body of the saree has paisley motifs in zari and the borders have Pakshi motifs in zari. There are two stripes of zari on either side of the Pakshi motifs. The grand and intricate pallu of the saree has beautiful zari motifs of diamonds, Pakshis and Rudraksham. The saree comes with a running blouse fabric, but you can pair this saree with a beautiful gold tissue blouse and accessorize it with traditional gold or diamond jewelry. Pai Kattam is a kind of design that we find in Kanjivaram silk sarees. These sarees have checks all over the body and they have a textured effect. Pai Kattam is also called as Chatai weave in other parts of India. The body of this lovely Kanjivaram silk saree has all over Pai Kattam in shades of green, orange and yellow. The saree doesn't have borders but there is a zari stripe along either end and there is a beautiful short pink selvage which highlights the beauty of this saree. The Rani pink pallu of the saree has zari bands. The blouse fabric of the saree is in the same Rani pink as the pallu. You can pair this saree with its own blouse or you can pair it with a blouse in any of the body colors. This is a classic saree and it has universal appeal. Cuttons or checks give a smart look to the saree. We have a lovely Kanjivaram silk saree for you in a very unusual shade of pinkish red. The body of the saree is in a very lovely shade of pinkish red. It's a very unusual color and there are cuttons or checks all over the body of the saree. The borders are in a lovely short maroon and there are two rows of zari. It's a rete painted zari border. The pallu of the saree is in a lovely short maroon color and the motifs on the pallu are in zari and these are very delightful and cute motifs. There are motifs of deer and fawn. There are also the famous Kalakshetra inspired Kili motifs. All these are done in zari. The blouse fabric of the sari is in the same color as the pallu. You can pair this sari with its own blouse and accessorize it with a nice emerald or green adige. If you love classic traditional designs in Kanjivaram silk saris but love contemporary colors, then this Kanjivaram is just perfect for you. This is a gorgeous Kanjivaram silk sari. It is a Korvai Kanjivaram. The body of the sari is in a pretty pastel pink and there are zari stripes running along the width of the body. The borders are in a beautiful purple color and these are Korvai borders. You can see the Korvai temples here. And there are Rettapete borders in zari and these have Rudraksha motifs. The deep purple pallu of the sari has classic lines. The blouse fabric of the sari is in the same purple as the borders and the pallu. You can pair this sari with its own blouse or you can pair it with a beautiful green blouse which is the color of the selvage and you can accessorize it with traditional gold or diamond jewelry. Green is a very gorgeous color. We have a beautiful Kanjivaram silk sari for you in this gorgeous green. This sari brings together two gorgeous shades of green. The body of the sari is in a darker shade of green and there are all over stripes on the body. The borders are in a lighter shade of green and it has cute motifs of deer or man on the borders. The pretty pallu of this Kanjivaram silk sari is in the same shade of green as the borders and it has zari lines. The blouse fabric of the sari is in the same color as the borders and the pallu. You can pair this sari with its own blouse or with a gold tissue blouse and accessorize it with traditional gold jewelry or pearl jewelry. Yellow is one of the most auspicious colors. It's also a very happy color, a very positive color. We have an elegant Kanjivaram silk sari for you in yellow. The body of the sari is in a lovely, sunny, happy yellow and there are diamond-shaped threadwork motifs all over the body of the sari. There is a short maroon selvage which highlights the beauty of the sari. The pallu of the sari has seepareka in thread. This is a no zari threadwork Kanjivaram silk sari and it is perfect to wear for all kinds of occasions. The sari comes with a maroonish pink or arakku blouse fabric. You can pair this sari with its own blouse and accessorize it with a kem adige. We have for you a classic Palum Paramum Korvai Kanjivaram silk sari which is timeless and graceful. The body of this sari has beautiful small cuttons or podi cuttons and these are in the color combination of yellow, pink and black. The borders are Korvai borders and they are in a combination of pink and orange and there are lovely Rettapete paisley motifs in zari along the borders. The pallu of the sari is woven using adai and there are gorgeous motifs of yana, that is elephants, gudara, that is horses, and lovely Mailkand motifs. All these are done in sari. The sari comes with a pretty pink blouse fabric in the same color as the pallu. You can pair this sari with its own blouse or with a gold tissue blouse and you can accessorize it with beautiful diamond or gold jewelry. If you love Kanjivarams with broad vintage style borders, then we have a beautiful Kanjivaram silk saree for you in a lovely combination of purple and rust. The body of this gorgeous Kanjivaram silk saree is in a lovely shade of plum purple, and there are Mail Chakram motifs in zari all over the body. The borders are in a short rust and it has Retta pages zari borders. The pallu of the saree is grand and elaborate in a rust color, and the motifs on it are in zari, and the motifs are pakshis, rudraksham and banki motifs. The saree comes with a rust colored blouse fabric. You can pair this saree with its own blouse and accessorize it with traditional gold jewelry. We have beautiful Kanjivarams for every occasion. To shop for our collection of beautiful Kanjivaram silk sarees, head over to our website www.kalpavastram.com. Thank you for watching this video. I'll be back soon with more sarees and more videos. Till then, take care and bye.